Square is a popular payment processing service that makes it easy for businesses to accept payments from customers. Let's explore the various payment methods accepted by Square and answer questions such as what payment methods does Square accept? How much does Square charge per transaction? And how do I add payment methods on Square? What payment methods does Square accept? Square accepts a wide range of payment methods, including major credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Square also supports in-person payments, online payments, and invoicing. How much does Square charge per transaction? Square charges a per-transaction fee for each sale processed through its platform. The fee is 2.6% plus 10 cents for in-person transactions and 2.9% plus 30 cents for online transactions. How do I add payment methods on Square? Adding payment methods on Square is easy and straightforward. To add a payment method, simply log into your Square account, go to the Settings section, and click on Payment Methods. From there, you can add, edit, or delete payment methods as needed. Square offers a wide range of payment methods, making it easy for businesses of all sizes to accept payments from customers. The per-transaction fee is reasonable, and the process for adding payment methods is straightforward and easy to follow. So there you have it. Square is the perfect payment processing solution for small businesses looking to increase their revenue and build customer loyalty. Don't wait. Click the link below to sign up for a free Square account today and start taking advantage of this amazing service. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.